Guys, I have such an exciting hack to share with you. We are going to use this set to make a beach. Small World Beach, the perfect thing because of the gradient. Perfect for the sand and the water, and you get all these fun tools with it. So get ready, get excited, baby. We're making it. Here we go. Okay, now that I have my rainbow sand set up, which, by the way, if you want to learn how to make this, because it's hydrophobic sand, so it will repel the water. If you want to know how to make the colored sand or the hydrophobic sand, go onto my Instagram page, and if you scroll down a little ways, I have step-by-step directions on there. It's really cool. So now I'm just kind of like sort of mix around the sand. All right, now we're going to start the water. And for the water, I'm gonna just take some water beads and some water and use that. Okay, here we go.